Section 23 of 1001 Questions and Answers on English Grammar. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Recording by Larry Wilson. 1001 Questions and Answers on English Grammar by Benjamin Hathaway. Conjunctions. 1. What is the rule for conjunctions? Conjunctions connect single words, phrases, and propositions. 2. Name an exception to this rule. Conjunctions are often used only as introductory words, as "and it came to pass," etc. That life is uncertain needs no proof. So you are going away, it appears. 3. What is a second exception? When two corresponding conjunctions occur in the same sentence, the former refers only to the latter, as neither the son nor father were here. 4. How are conjunctions placed in a sentence? Usually between the elements they connect. 5. What classes of single words may be connected by conjunctions? They must be of the same class and in the same construction. Thus, nouns in the nominative case are connected with nouns in the nominative, verbs in the singular with verbs in the singular, etc. 6. Give an illustration. Between you and I there is no ill feeling. This is incorrect. You is in the objective case, therefore I should be changed to me. 7. When two or more verbs are connected by conjunctions, what do they have in common? They have the same subject nominative, as I can read and write and spell. 8. When the verbs have separate nominatives, what does the conjunction connect? The conjunction may still be used, but it then connects phrases or sentences instead of single verbs. 9. Should verbs in connected clauses be in the same tense? Verbs in different clauses in the same sentence may be in different tenses, as I knew that the water is composed of oxygen and hydrogen. They taught that bodies are composed of salt. 10. Are conjunctions ever omitted? They are frequently omitted, as I knew (that) she would go. John (and James) and Henry were there. 11. Should the conjunction always be omitted except between the last two in a series of terms? It should not when great emphasis is required, as he is an honest and a faithful and a diligent man. 12. What is omitted after the conjunction than? After the conjunction than, used after comparatives, there are generally one or more words omitted that are necessary to the construction, as I am older than he (is). She loves her husband more than (she loves her brother). 13. On what does the case of the word after than depend? On the word omitted. In the first example, just preceding, he is the subject of is understood. In the second, brother is the object of loves understood. 14. Correct the following. Those histories contain little else but than accounts of murders. No sooner was the word said but than they sprang away. He is no greater than me, I. 15. The conjunction as often unites what? Words in apposition. As he offered himself as an escort. He was employed as teacher. 16. Give the program for parsing conjunctions. 1. Name the part of speech. 2. Name its class. 3. The connections. 4. Name or recite the rule. 17. Parse a conjunction that connects words. Idleness and ignorance are the parents of vice and misery. And is a conjunction, coordinate, and connects idleness and ignorance. Rule. 18. Parse a conjunction that connects phrases. Over the mountain and over the moor, hungry and weary, I wander forlorn. And is a conjunction, coordinate, and connects the phrases over the mountain and over the moor. Rule. 19. Parse a conjunction that connects prepositions, clauses. The question was not answered because it was not clearly stated. Because is a conjunction, subordinate, and connects propositions. The question was not answered, and it was not clearly stated. Rule. 20. Parse a correlative conjunction. Neither Ella nor Anna were at home. Neither is a conjunction correlative and refers to the second member of the pair, nor. Nor is a conjunction correlative and connects the words Ella and Anna. Rule. End of section 23.